So for this recipe I'm using caramel noir blanche, green and red cocoa butters, pistachio praline paste, unsalted butter, freeze-dried raspberry crumble, Calabal W2 and Kerry made. So you want to start off by spraying 1/2 of your moulds with the red cocoa butter. As always, you want to make sure your moulds are nice and clean and dry before starting, otherwise you can end up with marks and scuffs on your finished chocolates. So once you've sprayed 1/2 of your mould in red, you want to wait a minute or two before spraying the other half in green. So as you can see, this gives you a nice stripe design, allowing the white chocolate to peek through the middle. I also like to layer the cocoa butter to create a shadow effect. And there you go, you can see the stripe design there. So once your cocoa butter is set, you want to go ahead and temper your white chocolate ready for your shells. And then fill up your mould and then empty your mould. I'm going to give it a good shake here, get a nice thin mould. I like to save this for my capping later on, and then a good scrape of the mould to create your shells. So onto the ganache, I'm pouring boiling cream over the white chocolate here, and then using a stick blender to emulsify it together. And then it's just a case of adding your freeze-dried raspberries. So onto the burnt pistachio butter here. First of all, you want to burn your butter over a medium heat to a nice golden brown colour. There'll be lots of smoking and frothing here. Then you want to take it off the heat, allow it to cool slightly before adding your pistachio paste. And then just using a spoon, combine. Once you've combined it, you can pop it in a piping bag and allow it to cool. So now your shells have set and your pistachio butter is cooled. You want to pipe into your shells around 1/3 with the pistachio butter. Then you need to let that set, giving it a good tap down before letting it set. Once it's set, you can go in with your white chocolate and raspberry ganache, filling each cavity, leaving a 2 ml gap. Then you want to go ahead and retemper your chocolate and cap. And there you go, look at those beauties. So you should achieve a nice couple of layers here, one of pistachio, one of the ganache and the raspberries. If you're looking for the perfect packaging, we have a range of mix and match boxes in various sizes and colours. The one I'm using here is the cocoa shell with a folding base and black insert. We'll link this box in our written recipe, but you can also find all our other packaging at our Keylink website.